Yes, CODALoop is trying to answer the question of how can we reduce the use of energy by households in cities. And of course, it's not a new thing, but what's not being addressed is the demand for energy. Do we need all that energy? And why is that important? Because we see that if we only focus on efficiency, what often happens or renewables is that people, keep consuming or even consume more in the end because they think, oh, it's efficient now, or oh, it's renewable. So the consumption doesn't become less, it becomes even more.
One of the main concepts in our research project in CODALoop is the concept of energy conscious lifestyles. And for us, lifestyles is a very important concept because it kind of link together different dimensions, which are, for example, the energy that is consuming the dwelling, the energy that is consuming our mobility patterns, the energy that we consume in our leisure activities, and also the energy that is consumed because of the food we eat.
A second crucial thing is that the change in behavior and also idea of why you should do that and how to do that is a social process, is discussion you have with others, are norms that emerge in a community, a family or a neighborhood or a bigger community. So we want to shift the attention from the individual to the social. And the third and last thing that we wanted to try to do different, that a lot of what is done now is focusing on what we could call hard data, numbers, giving people an idea of how much they consume, perhaps also in price or in other units. And that's the kind of feedback, and hoping that would bring them to a different behavior. Of course, that is important, but we wanted to explore in this project also the role that what we call more soft kind of data, stories that people tell to each other, for instance, sharing experiences, actually having some experiences together, or like watching a film and reflecting on it. How this kind of soft data, let's call it like that, what the role of that could be.